Hello, and welcome to 80/20's Product Highlight Series. Today, we're going to look at the end fastener. What makes the end fastener so popular is its hidden visibility once secured into place. It's available in fractional, metric, and compatible across a wide range of profile series. The end fastener comes in two parts. You have the bolt, and you have the wing clip. Now, one thing you'll want to keep in mind with the end fastener is your bars are going to need machined. One with an end tap, and another one with an access hole. For more information on end fastener machining services, you can check out the 80/20 product catalog. Now, when it comes to installing the end fastener, it really couldn't be easier. First, you take your bolt and place it through your wing clip. You'll take the profile with the end tap in it and place the end fastener in it. From there, you'll hand tighten it down, and you'll grab your other bar with your access hole in it and slide it over the end fastener. From there, grab the wrench, put it through your access hole, and tighten down the bolt. Once tightened, you have a strong, secure, hidden connection perfect for any clean-looking application. Hopefully you found this segment on the end fastener helpful. For more information, visit 8020.net and make sure to subscribe to future 80/20 videos. And as always, make it a great day.